Here's the Lenovo Legion 5 laptop, and let's see how to disable the secure boot feature. I will power on the laptop using the power key, and I will enter BIOS using the F2 key. So power on and press F2 a few times until you see the BIOS on the screen. First we will have a nicer image, this one, and after this it will be very bright. Let's go here to more settings, that button. You can use the touchpad and go there and tap on it. So this is the screen, which is very bright. Here on the information page it says secure boot is enabled, and let's go down to security. You can use the arrow keys also or the touchpad. So security. Now we can use, let's say, the arrow key. So from left I will go to the right using the right arrow. So this is the left side, one section, and that's the right side. Press the right arrow and it goes there. Now you can go down using the down arrow, and secure boot is here and it's enabled. Just press enter while it's here, and now use the down arrow and it's set to disabled. Accept it using the enter key, and that's about it. F10 saves and exits. So you can press F10 on a keyboard, F10 near the button, power button. Okay, save configuration changes and exit. Yes, you can press the enter key. Okay, and now secure boot is disabled. You can check it using the F2 again to enter BIOS, and now it should say that it's disabled. So back to more settings, and on the information page secure boot is disabled. You can press escape once again, and Windows is loading.